Good afternoon. Those of you who watch my videos know that last month I made a Facebook post detailing the corruption and conspiracy between a licensed New York State attorney, Debbie Jonas of Shalom Task Force / Sarah's Voice, funded by Safe Horizon, whose CFAO until recently was Gregory Jan Brooks, the husband of my current divorce judge, Judge Rachel Amy Adams, and a top-level employee within the Brooklyn District Attorney's Office, Michelle Kaminsky, the Bureau Chief of the Domestic Violence Unit in 2022. In that post, I provided documents proving I was the victim of a false police report filed against me by my ex-wife, Sivan, on July 16th of 2020. I provided the link in the comment section below, or you can find it on my Facebook page. On July 16th of 2020, my ex, Sivan, lied to the NYPD and filed a false police report against me to get me arrested because she claimed I violated her order of protection on July 13th of 2020 by stalking her in front of her house. On the week of July 13th of 2020, the very same day she said I was stalking her, I was on vacation in Vermont. In fact, on July 13th of 2020, I was on a remote hiking trail. In my post, I explained that I took a police report against my ex for filing a false police report against me, and I was subsequently informed that her attorney, Debbie Jonas, called Michelle Kaminsky to obstruct my ex's arrest by wielding her power, influence, and connections within the Brooklyn District Attorney's Office to benefit her client and to deny me equal protection for a false allegation that I would have been arrested for had I been anywhere in New York State on July 13th of 2020. Her contact, Michelle Kaminsky, called the arresting officer, Detective Cush Green, at the 63rd Precinct Detective Squad of the NYPD and ordered him not to effectuate Sivan's lawful arrest. Debbie Jonas is so prideful about her money, influence, and connections that she recently admitted to calling Michelle Kaminsky last year to prevent her client's arrest and confirmed that Kaminsky did reach out to Detective Green and told him to drop the arrest. In my post, I pleaded with Brooklyn District Attorney Eric Gonzalez to launch an investigation into the events that transpired after I reported my ex's false report against me, which resulted in Michelle Kaminsky's call to Detective Green to obstruct an active police investigation in June of 2022. Here's the update, folks. Last Friday, I received an email from Franklin Arias, who's the executive paralegal to the Brooklyn DA, Eric Gonzalez, confirming receipt of my certified letter and email. Arias stated the matter is being reviewed and to expect communication by someone from the Executive Bureau. I can only hope that District Attorney Eric Gonzalez is different than his cohort across the East River, Alvin Bragg, a well-known law enforcement-hating radical that prefers to prosecute law-abiding citizens over actual felons. As a victim of a false police report myself for a purported Class E felony made by my ex, I can only hope that justice will prevail, but we'll see. We shall see, folks. While I'm optimistic that Michelle Kaminsky's corruption and the conspiracy to deny me equal protection under the law is prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law, it is up to DA Gonzalez to ensure that justice prevails. As always, thanks for your continued support and stay tuned for any updates. Thank you.